afternoon. Welcome to MarineMax Sarasota. Today we're going to look at our trade-in 2016 Sea Ray 400 Sundancer. We're going to start with the swim platform. This is a hydraulic swim platform with steps leading down to the water. We do have the summer kitchen here, the gourmet space. We have a grill, sink, and speakers on the outside. Let's take a look at the cockpit. We have snap-in carpet, pretty comfy on the feet, fiberglass table. Really nice area to sit around, enjoy the outdoors. Come on, let's take a look inside. The 400 Sundancer is equipped with the 480 Cummins diesels with joystick piloting with the bow thruster. So all those are integrated. Come on into the salon. Got a nice wraparound couch here with an ottoman and an opposing couch here with the entertainment center. So you have a flat screen TV, we have a Blu-ray player, we also have direct TV equipped on this boat. We have the HD satellite TV system, so you can pick up all your channels no matter where you're cruising. We have our control panel here, nice and stashed away, nobody knows it's there, and you don't eliminate your view here. So come on into the galley. We have a refrigerator, convection oven, microwave, sink, nice bottle storage. Really nice galley, well appointed. The Helm Station, we have a dual Helm Station here with armrest, very comfortable. Great view, great visibility. We have two 12-inch Raymarine ES series, Rockford Fosgate stereo system, VHF radio, remote control spotlight. Very, very well equipped. Again, as I was saying, the joystick piloting. Great feature, close quarters docking. Let's head down into the cabin. Start with the aft stateroom. We have 3 bunks, 2 here that will slide together to make 1 if you have another cruising couple, or 3 kids hanging out here with the bunk beds. Next is the master, which is forward. Very spacious. This is the 2-head layout boat, so the master has its own head, which is really nice for entertaining. Come on in, take a look at this. Lots of space in here. You got a nice shower. So 2 heads, 40-foot boat, really nice. 2 heads, 2 staterooms. Not least is the second head. Come on through. This would be the guest head. And that's it. Come on down. Again, this is the 2016 Sea Ray 400 Sundancer, used trade-in. Bring your trades. Come on in. MarineMax Sarasota.